Alright, welcome back to another exciting episode here on the Dips channel. I have a little setup just for my South Park stuff. So, first things first, we're gonna continue. And I'm gonna bust open the rest that were missing. Because I was missing 4 of these, so I'm gonna bust them open here today. But before we get to that, I have a special surprise for you. And also, I just wanna have this on film that I collected Wave 3 of The Simpsons. Lenny, Milhouse, Marge, and Baseball Homer. Bam. Goodbye, Lenny. I got 2 Marches, by the way. So if anybody wants to trade, let me know. Got the Milhouse. Bam. Second March. Bam. And Baseball Homer. Love Simpsons, so this line's a no-brainer for me. I don't know about the little 3-inch ones. It's not convincing me. I really would like if it has some movement or no movement at all, but I don't like it in between. I also score this bad boy right here. Angry Homer. I'm missing 2 because I didn't even know that existed. There's like a vampire Mr. Burns and a radioactive man. So I need those. But this one, if I can find another one, I'll bust this one open because I never seen that before. That looks pretty cool. It's like a wannabe Hulk. I like that. Okay. Here are the other bags that I was missing. I'm gonna start with the Cartmans because I got all of them lined up right there, all 5, and then the other ones are repeats, golds and silver. What do you say we get started and pop this bad boys open? And would you look at that? I got another candy. No, that's not good. I don't want to start with a repeat. Come on, make this better. What do we got? Oh, come on. Was raining candies. Damn it. What do we have on this one? Do something good. Another Wendy. Would you look at that? Oh, thanks. This is a site for a repeat town. What do we have on this one? Oh, there we go. Finally. We got that boy stand. Pretty cool. Let's get him out of the bag. I have the silver version. Now I'm only missing Cartman. Bam. Look at that. The thing is tiny. Let's compare him to the silver one. Oh, that's so cool. These are tiny, man. And it has a little ball in the back. This one kind of has it, but doesn't. This one, you can tell, but it has it. So there we go, Stan. You got your clone. Nice. And I can't believe I got a repeat of Candy. So now I got 3 Candies. I don't mind. I like Candy. Probably kill them in some way or another, you know, maybe color them different or something. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna keep the candies right there. It's trash. I don't know if I showed off the checklist from last time. And there you go. Missing Cartman. Do I have Butters? I don't have Butters. Chef or Randy. And I think I have Kyle Gold and Cartman Gold. I have Cartman Silver. And they have Kenny and Stan Silver. I don't remember. Yep. I'll put this right here. I also got another Wendy with the same expression. I thought it would be different, but it's the same thing. And now for the surprise. Look what I got today. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, this bad boy is getting cherry pop today. I've been waiting for this bad boy for a while, so let's unbox it. See what we got. See what I got. I already know what I got, but future calves not gonna know. Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. So, give you a closer look. I got the Goth kits. Can you see that? There we go. Goth kits vinyl figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got Goth stand as well.
Going down to South Park and have myself a toy.
Death and sadness everywhere, loneliness and degradation.
Going down to South Park, gonna take my woes with me.
Nightmares every night, posers spouting, let's go shopping.
Heading up to South Park, cause I cannot unwind.
I have spiders, love and rain. I'm only happy when I'm in pain.
So I'm going down to South Park to die.
And I think this one glows in the dark. I'm not really sure. There you go. Oh, it's awesomeness. Get this out of the way. Here we go. This one goes with my kidrobot. I think this was an exclusive, but it doesn't say exclusive anywhere. But this one, you can see it says kidrobot right there. You see that? Kidrobot. I don't know their names. I know if that's Freckle, Marietta, Angeletta. I forgot. Forgot this dude's name. I know that's Stan. Might have been open, dude. The tape's already coming off right here. Well, if that's the case, let's give her a quick peek. Take a quick peek at these bad boys. I'm gonna save the box just in case I want to put him back. They have been released. Let's start with this dude. We're gonna at least stand for last. Wow, they feel cool. What's that? Oh yeah, they've been in there for a while. Pretty cool. I don't know his name. I'll probably put him up. A little picture with his name. It's been such a long time. Don't they beat up the vampire kids or something? They burned the Hot Topic. Oh, that hand's stuck in there. You can see his little boots. Has the belt on it. Probably zoom it in. That's cool. Oh, he has it on both sides. It buckles on his shoes. You can see that little. What is that circle there? I don't know what those things are called. And his hair. That's pretty cool. Onto this guy with the cane. Oh, and it's removable too. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna lose this piece. Oh man. I can already tell. I'm gonna be walking around without his cane. There's a little earring, a little cross earring. Yeah, I don't want to wiggle him too much because I think they've been in there for a while. He's tall, skinny. Pretty cool. Poofy hair. The eyeshadow right there. He's the only one with the nose. I haven't seen any other kids with the nose. Pretty cool. Where's his cane? Tiny little cane. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be. I don't want to drop it. Get in there. Get in there. Alright. That's good enough. Henrietta. Oh, dude, so cool. So sculpted on, just painted on. See the little gloves right there? That is cool. With the makeup, lipstick on. You can kind of see her hand move. Yeah, that's the guy losing the joints. Pretty cool. Let's see if I can rotate it for you in a little bit. Henrietta. I remember this guy, that Frinkle. The tiniest one. Wow, he's really tiny. He's very cool though. I like it. I don't really know much about this guy, but we're gonna have him in the collection. I don't know if his head moves. Pretty cool. And last but not least, Goth stand. They should make a Goth Butters as well. I think he becomes Goth first, right? No, second. Yeah, second. First is Stan when he wakes up with Wendy. Oh, look, he has little earring. Cross earring. That is pretty cool right there. Goth stand. Do I have regular stand? I only have Warrior stand. Well, let's compare him to Warrior stand. Bam. They just changed his hat and his weapon. His sword. Give him a cape. Pretty cool. Goofy hat. It's no longer red. Not bad. Like it. Put Stan back in there. Give him over here. So that's a little quick look at my South Park kidrobot Goth kits. Let's see if I'm putting them like that. Yeah, I think you see them better like that. And my extra cannies for some reason. And Wendy. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a like. Subscribe for more. There will be more. Stay tuned for another one because there's going to be another 5-pack coming. Catch you in the next one. Enjoy the pictures. Peace. Alright, that was a quick look at the new kidrobot South Park Goth kits 5-pack. I don't know if I remember correctly, but on the website said they will glow in the dark, and they do not glow in the dark. So I'm just FYI, make sure that you get the glow in the dark, because this one did not glow. And if you're gonna get it from kidrobot's website, make sure that they deliver, because I've been reading a lot of reviews and it says that they don't even ship the item. So if you can get it from a different distributor, different toy place store, get it like that, because I think you'll be better off. I didn't get it from their website, I got it from a different website that they already have them in stock. So that's another thing, like they say that they have it online, but they don't. So make sure you know what you're doing before you buy these. If you like these, you want to pay $50 and they don't show up to your house, or they steal your money, so you have to be aware of what you're doing. Anyways, this was a quick look at this one. Stay tuned for more, because there's another pack coming, and as soon as I get it, I'll unbox it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.